Hi, my name is John Whitmer. I'm the president at Renovate here in Lancaster. Renovate is a complete bathroom remodeler, so we can help you with a project as small as a tub or shower replacement, or we can remodel your entire bathroom. There's a few things that make Renovate unique. First of all, we can actually design and price an entire bathroom remodel in the comfort of your home in one visit. The biggest benefit to Renovate coming to your home with product samples is that you can actually see what those products look like in your own home. Another thing that makes us unique is that all of our products have best-in-class warranties. In fact, a lot of them have lifetime warranties. We're also very proud of our communication process. To give you an idea of timeline, we can replace a tub or shower in as little as 2 days. If you're doing a complete remodel, we can usually get that done in less than a week. Renovate really prides itself on making this process easy and comfortable for our customers. We can pretty much match anybody's style and budget. Our design consultants do a great job of matching up your needs with the products that we have to offer. In fact, let's talk to Jeremy and he can tell you a little bit more about that process.
Hi, my name is Jeremy. I'm a design consultant here at Renovate in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And today I'm going to be walking you through some of our displays and bathroom designs at our showroom. This bathroom has some great things to offer. It has a stand-up shower and a unique standalone tub. This tub is an Oasis tub from Hydro Massage, features air jets, and it's just a great place when people want to relax. The shower we have here is unique. You see it's got this half wall and a completely frameless system, so it gives you a really great, sleek, and bright look in your bathroom. This here is a very luxurious looking shower. This is Adara granite, which is a real nice natural stone look. It's got undertones of black and caramel. You'll notice this door is special. You see that great rolling system up there. And this seat has the advantage of being able to get out of your way when you don't want to use it. We can customize all the accessories in your shower. We can put shelves in as high or low as you want. We can put grab bars in vertically, horizontally, on an angle, and customize this for your individual needs. This next bathroom display, I want to talk about just the overall scheme. We've got a gray motif here, as you can see. But what we've managed to do is use different shades of gray to create a very cohesive look in this bathroom. The other neat feature about this shower is we've got the Moen U. You can set it for different temperatures. You can control it using a tablet or your smartphone. You can do so much with this. You have a good gray earth tone. Gray is still going to be something that's going to be really versatile.
One of Renovate's strengths is that we can design great spaces that not only look great, but they function great as well. We can be very specific to what you need. There's a lot of different options out there, and our design consultants do a great job of really listening and understanding the needs of the customer and then designing a bathroom around those needs. So we just opened up a brand new showroom. We're very proud of it, and it highlights many of the products that we use. But really, I think the main thing is just to inspire people. We welcome the public to come in. We're happy to maybe even put some designs together for you.